Probability. How do you determine probability? Well, the easiest thing I want you to think about is, when we're talking about probabilities, I want you to think about flipping a quarter in the air and having it land on heads. The probability of it landing on heads the very first try is 50%, which expressed as a decimal looks like this. But what if I asked you, what are the chances of you flipping a quarter in the air and a dime in the air, and the quarter landing heads up and the dime landing tails up the first try? Well, we know that the probability of this happening is also 50%. So to get this to happen, all you got to do is multiply it, and it'll give you 0.25 or 25%. Now, what if I were to say that you're going to roll a single die? Just a single die. So it looks something like this. Right? And what if I said you're going to roll 3 of them? Now we're talking Vegas here, right? And you wanted to get it on the 1 every single time. With one roll, you're going to roll 3 die, and it has to land on the 1 every single time. So what's the probability of this landing on the 1? Well, that's 1 in 6. So if you take the 6 and divide it by 1, the 1 divided by 6, you'll get 0.166 or 0.167. And that goes for all of them. So all you got to do is multiply one to each other, and it'll give you a number. So by my handy dandy little calculator, 0.167 times 0.167 times 0.167 equals it gives you 0.004. If you move the decimal point over, it gives you 0.4%, which is less than 1% odds of you taking 3 die and rolling them and each one landing on a 1. So why is this important? On the exam, if you're confronted with a scenario about calculating probability, you have to determine what the probability is for each scenario, and then simply multiply the whole strand across, and that'll give you the answer.